How to set up share name and photo on your iPhone 17 Air. For that, go to setting, and under setting go to the apps, and from here you need to go your phone option. This one, go to phone, and from here you can see share name and photo. Press on share name and photo. Now you can customize those options. You can select change your photo as well, or if you want to set poster you can change it, or if you want to set emoji you can also set it like that. And here is the name and share automatically. Always ask, if you set as contact only, then your contact only will be automatically share, but I want to recommend you ask later. So once done, press on this button and select your emoji or photo which you want to prefer. Then your share name will be set up successfully. That's it. Thank you. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.